Hey everybody, it's the Ginger Optimist, and today I am going to teach you how I make my rose water. This is my friend Margarita.
Hi.
And these are roses from her rose bush.
Oh yes.
So let's get started. The first thing we're gonna do is we are going to take the roses off. You just pull that little stem and then the petals just go just like that. So we're going to wash the roses and then we will make our rose water.
Oh, how cool.
Okay, so I have rinsed the petals. Now I'm going to put them in this pan. Okay, so now I'm gonna put this little glass bowl on top of the roses and I'm going to add water around it. You just wanna cover the petals. You don't wanna like overload it with water. Now I'm gonna take the lid upside down, put it on top of there. So we can press that down a little bit and turn this on. Then I'm gonna put ice on top of the lid and that's gonna cause condensation and cause the rose water to fill the little glass bowl inside the pan.
Wow, how interesting that is.
So the water is starting to bubble up inside the pan and I'm gonna put a little ice on top of the lid and it will cause the rose water to fill up the bowl. So we are going to check on our rose water. Can you see that? So the rose water is finished. And now I have it in my little beaker. Look at that color, isn't that beautiful?
Oh, it's gorgeous.
So we're going to pour some with this funnel into this bottle. We're gonna keep it in the refrigerator. Let's go ahead and fill this little bottle. You can apply this at nighttime or you can apply it in the morning when you first get up after you wash your face. It's really good for your skin and refreshing and oh, it smells so good.
So good.
Smell.
Oh, I'm so excited. I mean, it's really, really good.
All right, I'm gonna try it. Ooh. Close your eyes. Yeah, see,
Yeah,
that's a
it's
much
really-
softer spritz. So these little bottles are way better than these, just saying. Well, thank you for being on my video today,
Well,
Margarita.
thank you for making this. This is wonderful. I will continue to bring rose petals.
All right. Well, thank you so much for watching the Ginger Optimist. And if you're watching this video and you've enjoyed it, I hope you'll give us a thumbs up. And if you're not following me already, I hope you will. Have a great rest of your day. God bless. Bye.